Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. We're here with the Champagne Agency going over our daily myths, which I absolutely love. I have a lot of people reaching out to me and commenting. And the good thing, and it's not even my client, right? Just friends of mine just asking. So one of the most important things is checkups on your insurance. Just making sure that you always want to ask what type of coverage you have, not just a simple, am I covered for that, right? And the only reason why I say that is just because you need to make sure what you're covered for, right? So for instance, my home, is it built to replacement cost? Have you done any updates to your home? Do you need to let your agent know so that they can make sure that if anything was to happen to your home, it's rebuilt to, what your value is? How much water backup do I have? Back a little while ago, everybody used to be like, oh, 5,000 is more than enough, but 5,000 is definitely not enough. Other thing, do you have equipment breakdown or service line coverage? There is a ton of service line claims, believe it or not. I had one at my daughter's house last year, and thank God I had this coverage. Our pipes are getting older, so you want to make sure that you're covered for that. Another one is my auto liability. Do I have enough for my UIM limits? Are they high enough as well? Right? So you definitely want to make sure on those because that protects you if you are in an accident. An umbrella. I find umbrellas are important. So you definitely want to make sure that ask your agent, does that make sense to me? Do you have any teen drivers? That's a good thing to have an umbrella for. And if you have like an Airbnb or any side businesses, if you do Lyft, DoorDash, deliver like Shipt. So those are things too that you want to make sure that you are covered for as well. I know we had a client here in Southgate. We were going over her coverages with her, and she only had $5,000 in water backup because that's all she ever wanted. But thank Godly, we increased that to $25,000, which was only $8 more a month. Do you believe that? Yeah, $8. Thank God, because like 2 months later after that, there was a heavy rain and she had $18,000 and 18,700. Can't speak this morning. Sorry. So that was all that coverage is going to be covered for her for only $8 more a month. So I was super happy for her. So please, if you always make sure that you're asking your agent so that you can get a quick review. It only just takes a few moments and just to make sure that you have enough coverage and you're properly covered. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.